Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Dr. Mukul sangma Jaidbynriew parliamentary party leader jong ka TMC ulaong ba Hato Ngin Ailad mo bagin Pynïaid ya ka Jaidbynriew ka jong isha kita ki Kyntien ki bathmai ki baong ki high level ya kani nagalyang jong Dr. Mukul sangma ulabo ka jingkali hakmat ki hajar ngut ki pat ba habakren na ka jingilang jong ka Nongston Block Trinamool Congress haka pratarik ubnai nopra arjar arpo ar hamadan shnong te sound Nongston Shushola paru da ka baong ba ngatharai ka kata ka high level kata ka jingong high level low level kala dai ka por kita ki breu ki badan ka bor bakin smotho makabor ka shong hakipat ba
for our generation next. Friends, the beauty of democracy is that the whole power to decide is vested upon the people themselves. The power that is vested upon all of our friends, the citizens, is crucial because we all know who elect the MLAs, who elect the government. So, the whole power revolves around the citizens, the people. That's the beauty of democracy. But there is another. This whole power comes with utmost sense of responsibility. Responsibility towards our people, our society, our land, our state, and our nation. With responsibility that revolves around the larger interests of our people, the larger interests of our state. To utilize this power that is vested upon all of you. Shall we allow the same kind of conversation narrative where we hear so many new? I have probably been enriched with some new vocabularies, new nomenclatures, so-called high level and whatnot. We had a by-election last year where I, for the first time, heard the word called high level. When I went to Dantes, I hear the same word, high level. And when I come to West Cassis, I hear the same word, high level. I think you all know, because I have been also enlightened about this word. This high level, low level, high level, low level. I think they must be made to realize that the power is not with those who consider themselves high level, but the power is with the people. Friends, the people of Cassis, and West Cassis and Nongston in particular have a legacy. A very powerful legacy which we must be connected with. People of this part of the state have always demonstrated high level of intelligence, wisdom, and elected people with honesty and integrity. You have followed and elected leaders who remain glued to their commitment in serving for the larger good of our beloved people. Who have demonstrated utmost sense of sacrifice, love and compassion, and have served without any condition. See a scene which is contrary to what we saw in the past. Who will be taking the responsibility of this very important, crucial, collective decision to ensure that we change things? I'm sure it's pertinent for me to ask you one very important question. Do you want to allow the same things, the same kind of affairs of governance to continue in the coming 5 years? The whole responsibility needs to be shouldered by all of us. I see a very dangerous trend of politics in Meghalaya. A dangerous trend of politics which will ultimately culminate into a situation where we will have no time to regret, but to actually be victims of our lack of, I must say, preparedness to understand and fight against those forces who are having agendas which are against the interests of our people.